In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get your ElevenLabs API key in just 5 minutes. Whether you're a developer integrating ElevenLabs into your project or simply exploring the platform's potential, obtaining your API key is an essential step. So, let's dive right in and make sure you have the key you need. First off, you want to kick things off by opening your web browser. You can use any browser of your choice, whether it be Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or Edge. The internet is essentially your gateway to accessing ElevenLabs, and your browser is the tool you'll be using to get there. Once your browser is open and ready to go, you're just a few clicks away from securing your API key. Next, you'll need to sign in to your ElevenLabs account. This is a crucial step as you'll be dealing with personalized information pertaining to your profile and access rights. So, if you haven't already registered for an account, you'll need to create one. But assuming you have, simply enter your login credentials, your username or email, and your password. After successfully logging in, you'll be taken to your account dashboard, which is the main hub for controlling your ElevenLabs experience. Now, with the dashboard open in front of you, pay close attention to the bottom left corner of the screen. Here, you'll notice your name proudly displayed. Go ahead and click on your name. This action serves as a navigational cue, leading you towards the specific settings related to your account. From here, we're beginning to zone in on the specific aspect of ElevenLabs concerning your API. After clicking your name, look for an option labeled API. It's straightforward and typically stands alone, so it should be quite easy to spot. Click on API to proceed to the next step, which centers around the management of your API keys. These keys act as a way to authenticate and interact securely with the ElevenLabs system. They're basically like keys to accessing various endpoints of the service. Now comes the moment you've been preparing for. In this API section, look for the button or option that says Create API Key. Clicking this will initiate the generation process. Upon following this instruction, a brand new API key will be generated specifically for your account. Each API key is unique, so treat it like a password. Keep it safe and out of sight of others. And there you have it, your personal API key for ElevenLabs, ready to use whenever an API call is necessary. In closing, a quick reminder to always safeguard your API key securely since it houses a lot of power in its code. That wraps up today's tutorial on acquiring your ElevenLabs API key quickly and easily. Thanks for watching, and if this guide was helpful, please leave a like and subscribe for more useful tutorials.